Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the screen recording toggle, which is right here. From there, all you need to do is simply tap on it and automatically it starts recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded. And then once you're done with it, all you need to do is tap on the stop, and this will then save it, give it a moment for it to actually process it. I believe it gives us a pop-up. Oh, there we go. So we have the click to play, and it also should be visible in the photo gallery. So if I find, there we go, photos, there it is. Now I'm gonna mute the sound. So you can see this is the recording, and that's basically how you would capture it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.